I saw your question on discussion board. You want to complete this quadratic equation by completing the square. It's 5x squared plus 4x plus 2. Now you had to pick out, this is one of the hardest ones you can do because leading coefficient here is not 1 and you end up with a fraction in here. So one of the first things you want to do is make the leading coefficient 1. In this case, we need to get rid of that 5, so I divide everything by 5. So that gives me x squared plus 4/5 x plus 2/5 equals 0. Another thing is I need my variables on one side and constant on the other. So I subtract 2/5 from each side. Then I need to complete the square for that step. So you take half the coefficient of the linear term, half of 4/5. Just multiply 2 times 5, that's 4/10, or 2/5, and then you square it, which would be 4 over 25. You want to add that to each side. And this will factor real nicely to x plus whatever it was before you squared it, which is 2/5. Now over here you need to get a common denominator of 25, so you got to multiply that by 5 over 5. So we have a quantity x plus 2/5 closed quantity squared equal negative 10 over 25 plus 4/5. Well, that's negative 6/25. Apply the square root property. So it'll be plus or minus square root of negative 6/25. Apply the quotient rule. Square root of negative 6 is I, square root of 6, square root of 25 is 5. So it gives you this. Subtract 2/5 from each side. Since we have a common denominator, we can write it this way also. Hope that helps.